Welcome everyone to another video. Today we're in the Indian Ville area of beautiful Punta Gorda, a peaceful part of the town conveniently located near the St. Benedict Primary School. As we approach the property from the roadside, notice the solid metal and concrete perimeter fencing designed both for privacy and durability, along with the secure front access gate welcoming you onto the property. Being positioned on a corner lot provides additional airflow, enhanced accessibility, and a more open overall feel to the property. So join me as I walk you along the perimeter. The first thing you're going to notice here is the completed septic system and a soakaway infrastructure already in place, which is a very important feature for long-term functionality and convenience when you're using number 1 or number 2 in the bathroom. The grounds provide generous outdoor space, and it does have an excellent potential for landscaping, gardening, family gatherings, or future outdoor entertainment areas. As you can see at the front of the home, you will also notice a covered carport designed to comfortably accommodate one vehicle while still maintaining a spacious front yard area with excellent natural lighting and cooling breeze throughout the day. This property is fully connected as well to all essential utilities, including electricity, water, internet, and cable services, making it somewhat a move-in ready house once the final touches are completed. So now that we've checked out the outside, let's go inside. Entering the home, we are welcomed by a spacious open concept layout combining the kitchen, the dining area, and entertainment areas into one functional and inviting living space. What I like about this layout is that it allows for excellent natural airflow and flexibility, which is ideal for both everyday family living and entertaining guests. As we head towards the rear section of the ground floor, you're gonna see an additional utility room currently intended for storage and laundry use. However, because of its layout and plumbing accessibility, this area also offers excellent potential to be converted into a guest bathroom for added convenience. Now let's make our way upstairs as we finish up to the upper floor. As we come up to the upper floor, one of the first details you'll appreciate is the beautiful hardwood wall finishing, adding warmth, character, and a rich natural aesthetic throughout the upper living spaces. We first enter the secondary bedroom, a comfortable and well-sized space complete with its own private bathroom, including shower, toilet, and a sink area, creating an excellent privacy for guests or family members. Directly across is the spacious primary bedroom, measuring approximately 16 by 13.5 feet. This room offers generous floor space, as you can see, abundant natural light, and its own private walk-in shower and bathroom area, giving the home a comfortable and functional master suite experience. Now, stepping outside, we arrived at one of the standout highlights of this property, which is the elevated outdoor deck. This space is absolutely perfect for barbecues, reading time, relaxation, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying the cool evening breezes while overlooking the surrounding trees, neighborhood homes, and the nearby mountain views. This upper deck wraps 3 sides of the home, creating a very unique elevated walkway experience where you can fully appreciate the surrounding scenery and enjoy over 180 degrees of views from above. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding at sunset, this rooftop and deck space truly sets this property apart, I'll be honest. This solidly constructed home combines both reinforced concrete durability, spacious living, scenic elevated views, and an excellent future potential. All of this within one of Punta Gorda's most desirable residential parts. Offers are welcome, and when you work with me, I'll do my best to secure the best possible deal for you on this property. If you're interested in scheduling a private viewing or would like to know more information, feel free to contact me today at +501 611 5238, or you can also email me at kenny@remax-dorado.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more incredible property tours right here in Belize.